This is a unique experience. Here at Miller, we're building the farm. We're going to grow this together. In the late 1800s, there was a full production farm. We want to bring that back and reintroduce agriculture as a program. Hi guys! Who wants belly rub? You're so sweet. Over there are the deciduous trees, different nut trees, great for foraging. Students here at the school, they're not learning farming just in a textbook. They'll get the full experience. You're getting dirty, you're caring for the animals. This program allows students to reconnect to their food. We're setting up right now for the greenhouse. We will expand out for our garden. This campus, it's 1,600 acres. We are gonna farm around 30 acres. My chickens have the best view in Central Virginia. Through the principles of permaculture, companion planting, farming through observation, and biodynamics. It allows us to farm working with nature's cycles so we can have a farm here that is sustainable and will last for generations. This program, it's hands-on education. Here at Miller School, we're getting back to our roots.